Oh really? Spicy? I see. It's called Spicy Rain. Spicy Rain? Get lost in spice. We should try it. We should. See how it tries with that. Let's try it out. Here. Oh, it smells good. Spicy. It smells like cinnamon. Okay, well, alright, here we go. Let's try it out.
That's so fun. Dude, I had like 4 tequila shots and like 4 Incredible Hulks.
Really? Because I had 6.
Sexy back. Yeah. The mother boys don't know how to act. Yeah. I'm thinking special, what's behind your back? Yeah.
Get lost in
spice. And I'll pick up the slack. Yeah. Take 'em to the bridge. Dirty babe.
It's been great. I kinda like Chris Allen. I just can't wait till
Hey ladies, are these seats taken?
I can't help but to notice you smell so good.